To understand why the emerging electron of an energy enterprise Microvast is fast becoming a formidable force in portable power, let's see what this beautiful battery business is made of and see how it's pushing boundaries to energize varied industries and investors. The Stafford, Texas-based company uses a vertically integrated model producing 4 key components of lithium-ion batteries: cathodes, anodes, electrolytes, and separators, enabling them to serve both internal product needs and external customers. Efforts to improve battery performance have led to a full concentration gradient FCG cathode for enhanced energy density and safety, a polyaramid separator for improved thermal and mechanical stability, and fast charging capabilities in the 10 to 30 minute range. Microvast batteries also feature a long lifespan, 2,500 to 20,000 charge cycles, and reduced risks of thermal instability and short circuits. On top of that, work is underway on solid-state battery technology and developing new chemistries like lithium metal anodes. Its true all-solid-state battery, ASSB, technology uses a bipolar stacked architecture, which allows internal series connections within a single cell, enabling voltages well beyond those achievable by conventional lithium-ion or semi-solid-state batteries, while also reducing the number of interconnections between cells, increasing energy efficiency. By eliminating liquid electrolytes, Microvast's ASSB can operate at much higher voltages without the risk of electrolyte decomposition, improving overall performance and safety. Key features of the ASSB include a proprietary non-porous polyaramid separator membrane designed to ensure high ionic conductivity and durability in solid-state applications, resolving challenges related to solid-state battery stability, making it suitable for demanding applications such as data center backup systems, electric school buses, robotics, and electric vehicles. ASSB technology also offers flexibility in cell design, allowing customization for specific energy and spatial requirements. The batteries can be tailored for emerging AI-driven applications and compact energy systems, improving safety and simplifying system architecture. Energy storage systems, ESS, and commercial vehicle batteries are tailored to meet specific customer needs with a focus on safety, performance, and cost efficiency. Sales cycles for ESS typically range from 6 to 12 months, while battery components are marketed through collaborations with R&D teams and prototype testing. For electric commercial vehicles, their products like silicon-based HNSO cells, lithium titanate oxide LTO cells, and the third-generation MVI pack. HNSO cells offer 300 watt-hours per kilogram energy density and over 4,000 cycles, suitable for long-range BEVs and HEVs, while LTO cells provide up to 20,000 cycles and are ideal for high-power applications. The MVI pack integrates Advanced Battery Management System (BMS) technology with an energy density of up to 200 watt-hours per kilogram and over 5,000 cycles. For heavy-duty applications, the ME6 energy storage system and fast charging make use of advancements in lithium iron phosphate (LFP) technology, which is known for its safety, longevity, and efficiency, helping to address the growing demand for long-duration storage and rapid charging solutions in the commercial and industrial sectors. The ME6 system is designed to meet the needs of large-scale energy storage, which is crucial for supporting grid stability, renewable energy integration, and electrification efforts across industries. For instance, eco-friendly mining has seen Microvast, together with Tonley Heavy Industries, deploy its high-power battery systems in the TLH 135 hybrid mining trucks at a mine in Inner Mongolia. These hybrid trucks are designed to reduce fuel consumption and emissions while maintaining strong carrying capacity, especially for uphill transportation in demanding mining environments. Thanks to Microvast, the trucks can operate efficiently over 3 shifts, supported by regenerative braking. The batteries are capable of high charge and discharge rates and are tested to perform reliably in extreme temperatures, ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, ensuring all-weather functionality. To support speedy charging in the electrification of construction and mining machinery for all-electric and hybrid vehicles, the HPTO 37 Ah, MPCO 48 Ah, and HPCO 55 Ah fast-charging batteries can reach an 80% charge in just 15 to 20 minutes, along with a cycle life of up to 8,000 charges. For long-range electric vehicles in high-utilization applications, batteries like the HNSO 70 Ah and HNCO 120 Ah have energy densities of 295 watt-hours per kilogram and 270 watt-hours per kilogram, with cycle lives of up to 4,000 and 5,000 charges. Adaptable packs like the MVB High Energy and MVC High Power battery packs can be integrated into existing powertrains and allow for easy switching between high energy and high power configurations based on needs, significantly reducing equipment upgrade costs. With all this promising power, Microvast's third-quarter results show strong growth, with revenue reaching a record $123.3 million, a 21.6% increase from the same period last year. Gross margin also improved, rising to 37.6% from 33.2% in Q3 last year. Operating expenses increased to $33.5 million, reflecting continued investments in growth and expansion, while capital expenditures decreased to $17.4 million, suggesting a more controlled investment strategy compared to the previous year. At the same time, the quarter ended with $142.6 million in cash and equivalents, up from both the prior quarter and year-over-year, providing a strong financial cushion. For the first 9 months of the year, revenue rose by 24.3%, with gross margin improving from 29.3% to 36.6%. This is particularly noteworthy, as the company has successfully reduced its net loss and turned a significant non-GAAP adjusted profit of $47.5 million, a sharp contrast to the prior year's loss. Looking ahead, Microvast is maintaining its revenue growth target of 18 to 25% for the full year, with expected revenue between $450 million and $475 million. It's also raised its full-year gross margin outlook to 32 to 35%, up from the previous target of 32%. In addition, it plans to complete its Huzhou Phase 3.2 expansion by year-end, boosting production capacity to meet strong customer demand. This will be crucial for sustaining growth and increasing market share, as Microvast focuses on attracting new customers and expanding into new sectors. As manufacturing capacity grows, the target is 11 gigawatt-hours annually by 2026, with a particular focus on the US and European markets. Zooming in on Europe, Microvast's battery passport in collaboration with MindSpider is meant to ensure compliance with the EU battery regulation, requiring all electric vehicle batteries to have a battery passport by 2027. The passport tracks critical data, such as battery ID, composition, and carbon footprint. Microvast is proactively preparing for the regulation to ensure its products meet sustainability and compliance standards, giving it an edge when trying to reach new shores. A perfect transition to allude to Microvast's partnership with Evoy to integrate its MVI high-power battery packs into Evoy's electric leisure boats, marking Microvast's entry into the electric boat market. The MVI battery pack offers enhanced safety thanks to its self-contained integrated cooling plate and contributes to cleaner, quieter operation with zero emissions. With a high energy density of up to 180 watt-hours per kilogram, the battery combines a lightweight design with robust performance, making it ideal for boat applications. To stay updated on Microvast's presence in the marine sector and for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.